Hello everyone, this is Prasoon Balian and I am a medical student currently pursuing my degree from Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Memorial Medical College, which is in Kanpur. Today I am here with you people to this channel of my respected guru, my ma'am Sonia Kaushik ma'am, regarding to your few queries related to the subject biology. Since this is a lockdown period and you people must have a lot of things in your mind related to your syllabus, related to your strategies which you must follow, tackle down the MCQs, related to the important topics which you must have to complete, or which you must have to go through just before the upcoming exam. So for the exam, the very first thing that I must say to you people is just love your NCERT. NCERT माता है. And after that, if you are in your intermediate, so just go through the theory as well as MCQ. But if you are dropping the year, then the most important thing for you guys is just go through the MCQs. So there are few units in NCERT which have their own weightage in the exam, and have a probability that question from these units comes out of the NCERT book. And these units are very firstly the genetics and the human physiology and the ecology. You guys must go out of the NCERT, read them thoroughly and do their MCQs on the regular basis. The more and more MCQs you people go through, the more and more confidence you have in yourself, the more and more time you can manage in the examination hall. And the most important thing is that if you are lagging behind in any particular topic, if you go through MCQ, you very firstly you find the importance of that topic, and then you create an own understanding related to that particular topic after going through the MCQs. So yeah, MCQs are must. So there is one more problem, I guess, which each and every student who is preparing the subject biology is going through, and that is related to terms. We have really complicated terms in our subject biology, and terms like repolarization, hyperpolarization, depolarization, action potential, J. So I'm telling you people, if you have any query related to any particular term, any particular topic, you are all free to go down, write down the comments, ask us, contact ma'am, contact us. We all are here to help you. And there is one more thing which I want to share with you people, that how I ended up in MBBS. So just after intermediate, I have cleared my state level exam, and many particular universities offers me various courses such as BSc degree in agriculture and BTech degree in biotechnology and BVSc and AH degree. Since I have a keen interest in biotechnology, so I just choose biotechnology degree. So I guess after a year, my parents got engaged me in the medical entrance exam under the guidance of my respected guru Sonia Kaushik ma'am. She was with me till the end, and still she is with me. So I just want to say, you people just go and follow the channel, ask whatever you want to ask related to the particular subject, write down in the comment box. What matters in the end is your positiveness and your existence. The world is full of opportunities. Study hard, write hard, you will eventually get what you want. So just go and follow the channel, ask your query, comments down below, and see you guys. Thank you.